गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। आपका कोई भी बोर्ड हो जैसे CBSE, ICAI, पंजाब स्कूल एजुकेशन बोर्ड और एनी अदर बोर्ड, आज मैं आपको कुछ ऐसे फार्मूले ट्रिग्नोमेट्री के रिलेटेड बताने जा रहा हूँ जिनको अगर आप समझ लोगे तो आप ट्रिग्नोमेट्री के रिलेटेड कोई भी सम, कोई भी प्रॉब्लम बहुत ही सिंपल और ईजीएस्ट वे में कर सकते हो। अगर अभी तक मेरा चैनल किसी ने सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो मैं रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ, प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल टू गेट मोर इन्फॉर्मेशन। लेट अस स्टार्ट विद द ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फार्मूला। फर्स्ट वन इज साइन थीटा, सेकंड वन इज कॉस थीटा, थर्ड वन इज टेन थीटा। साइन थीटा आपको फार्मूला बताया था, जैसे पंडित बद्री प्रसाद हर हर बोलो। Sin theta, that is perpendicular over hypotenuse, and cos theta base on hypotenuse, and tan theta perpendicular upon base. Tan theta का second formula we have, that is sin theta over cos theta. Next one is cosecant theta, that is 1 upon sin theta. Secant theta is equal to 1 over cos theta. Cot theta is equal to 1 over tan theta. Cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta minus 1. Next is sin theta into cosecant theta is equal to 1. Cos theta into secant theta is equal to 1. Tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. These are the some important formula which you have to remember one by one. By using these formulas you can solve any difficult problem. Now I am going to solve a problem based on the trigonometrical formula. Please see this problem carefully because it's coming again and again in the exams. First of all, start from the left hand side. Sin A plus cosecant A whole square plus cos A plus secant A whole square. See it carefully. Here what we have, a plus b whole square, again a plus b whole square. Write the formula first for a plus b whole square, that is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now what we get here, we get sin square a plus 2 sin a cosecant a plus cosecant a whole square. Here cos square a plus 2 cos a secant a plus secant square a. Now see the relation which we can combine, like sin square cos square we can combine it, cosecant square and secant square also we can combine it. Write it, that we get sin square a plus cos square a plus 2 sin a cosecant a plus 2 cos a secant a plus secant square a plus cosecant square a. See what we get here, sin square a plus cos square a, that is equal to 1 plus 2 multiply sin a into cosecant a, that is again 1 plus 2 multiply cosecant a and secant a, that is again 1 plus secant square a plus cosecant square a. Which are the formula we have used? We have to write here. First of all, sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1. Second one is sin a तो secant A is equal to 1. Third one, cos A into secant A is equal to 1. So wherever you use the formula, you should write it. Now what we get here? 2 plus 2 plus 1, that is 5. 5 plus secant square A. What we can write here? 1 plus tan square A plus cosecant square A. What we can write here? 1 plus cot square A. Because secant square A is equal to 1 plus tan square A and cosecant square A is equal to 1 plus cot square A. Now again we get 1 plus tan square A plus 1 plus cot square A. So that is 5 plus 1 6, 6 1 plus 7. We get 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. So see, this is our right hand side. That is equal to right hand side. So dear students, now I am going to explain some other problem based upon the trigonometrical formula. This sum is also very important. So let us see it. First of all, we see the sum 1 plus sin A over 1 minus sin A whole square root is equal to cos A over 1 minus sin A is equal to secant A plus tan. So what we have to do, first of all we take first term, that is 1 plus sin A over 1 minus sin A whole square. So what we do it, we rationalize it by 1 minus sin A, 1 plus sin A over 1 minus sin A multiply 1 minus sin A over 1 minus sin A square. So we get 1 minus sin square A over 1 minus sin A whole square. Next 1 minus sin square A क्या होता है? That is cos A over 1 minus sin A whole square. So what we get next here, that is find the, after getting the square root of it, we get cos A over 1 minus sin A. We get this one. Same. Now we start with the second term, that is cos A over 1 minus sin. Again we rationalize it by multiplying the opposite signs of denominator. 1 plus sin A over 1 plus sin. What we get here? Cos A plus cos A into sin. And then the denominator A minus B into A plus B. 1 minus sin square A. मतलब A square minus B square. Next, cos A we can take common from this cos A into 1 plus sin A, and then denominator 1 minus sin square A, that is cos A. And now cut away. Next we get 1 minus sin A over cos 1 plus sin. So we get 1 plus cos A, 1 over cos A plus sin A over cos A. What we get here? 1 upon cos A, that is secant A, and sin A over cos A, that is tan. So see, that is over right hand side, that is equal to over right hand side. So see which are the formulas you have used, you have to write here somewhere. So first one, we use a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Second, secant a is equal to 1 over cos a, and sin a over cos a is equal to tan a. So like this we can solve the problem step by step. Thank you. I hope now you are able to do the problems like this. So I am giving you some sums for the practice. You should do it by yourself. If you don't understand anything, so please you contact me. Thank you.